Bible verses about mothers. Proverbs 31, verses 25 through 30. Strength and dignity are her clothing, and she laughs at the time to come. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. She looks well to the ways of her household, and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children rise up and call her blessed, her husband also. And he praises her. Many women have done excellently, but you surpass them all. Proverbs 22, chapter 6. Train up a child in the way he should go. Even when he is old he will not depart from it.